ERC is a company that gives exams. They are the middleman in the process so that they will host the exams and an employee from a company will come and take the exam. The reason why a company may get a potential employee or an employee to take an exam is so that they can demonstrate their knowledge of the position they are applying for, which maybe just getting a job or getting a new promotion, since those can be in high demand. The issue is setting up an exam and making employees take it, or potential employees take it, is it costs time and money. Even if the company ERC is the one distributing it. There's also the issue if they promote the wrong person or hire the wrong person, then not only will they have to fix that in the company, they will have to spend more time and money finding another employee. The main concern is, since there's a lot of pressure behind these exams, people may be tempted to cheat. Of course, this is because these exams have a chance to make more money behind them, since one option is to either get a job at the company or the other option is to get a promotion, which means more benefits and higher pay. This then involves the common act of prevention of cheating, since if employees can somehow slip through the cracks and actually cheat the system, that means the companies will eventually find out and ERC will start losing reputation and more customers because of this. What they do first is take away the examinees' mobile phones and store them away, as well as keeping an eye on them while they do their exam. Due to the fact that these exams help companies make their decisions, ERC has decided to upgrade their security system, since there's been supposed cases of people slipping through the cracks before and as they got promotion on jobs they were not meant to. To access the exams that ERC displays, you have to go onto their website, click on the exam, and the new layer of security will be in here, in which once you click on the exam, a pop-up will appear. Once typing in the examiner's unique password, which only the examiner will know, then they will be allowed to continue the exam. The security behind the pop-up is they will only be allowed 3 goes, and if they fail all 3 goes, then the pop-up will close and they cannot access the exam from that computer for a set period of time. This is due to the fact that way the examinee cannot try to type in the password, even if they do know it slightly or could guess it. And that way, hopefully, the examiner will get it right on the first time. If you keep a constant eye on the examinee, the issue with that is by doing that, the examinee will feel self-conscious, they will slightly perform as well. Also, it's going to be physically impossible to do that. Due to the fact that ERC is not a big company, the examiner may be called upon to leave the room and help with something, which would leave the examinee all alone. Turning off the internet is one of the best ways to prevent cheating. By doing this, they cannot look online for the answers or look online to find the answers to the particular exam they're doing. The issue is the user could easily turn on the internet if they know what they're doing, so there would need to be an extra layer of security in place. What happens then is once the exam is loaded up, Linux will run a series of codes in the background which turns off the ports that the computer is connected to from the router. And by doing this, it is essentially like closing doors in a building where no one can get in or out, or in this case, information can't get in or out, So well-known ports that could be connected to Google does no longer work. As edit security, if someone was try to turn on the internet before the exam was done from that computer, then an alarm will be sounded which will alert the examiner. Once the exam is done, then they will have to click on the done button in the exam, which will bring up the same pop-up menu. The examiner will then have to type in his unique password again, and once that happens, they will click OK, which will then open up the ports in the router through Linux, and once that's done, after a few seconds, they will click OK again on the pop-up, which will then send the exam to the ERC company. Due to the fact that the exams are multiple answer questions, that means that the exams can be quickly summarized and then given out to the marks, since the answers would already be known. And because of that, there will be two copies. One will be immediately printed on screen for the examinee to see and to have a copy of, and one will be sent to ERC head office so they can have a copy which can be sent to the examinee's company as proof of the exam. This is how the overall system will work, and it's to keep the integrity of the company and to also keep the integrity of the exams that are taken in that company.